हांवें फ्लॅग हँडाचेर ऑफ माय टर्म हांवें पार्टी सोडल्या आनी दुसरी पार्टी गेला. दॅट इज द तृणमूल काँग्रेस. तो काँग्रेसींतल्यान BJP गेलो आनी BJPसान काँग्रेस येयलो. सो हांव आनी कांय सांगना. आय ओनली वॉन्ट टू से दॅट आय हॅव नॉट जॉयन द BJP. वी हॅव नॉट जॉयन द BJP. BJP is one party we don't want to touch even by mistake. जायत जावं उलयताय. कोण एक आमदार नॉता आसा उलयता सावथ लोकांनी सारको वोट मारपाचें. नॉर्थू थिंगा काबां केल्या. नॉर्थान ड्रग्स आहा, नॉर्थान गॅमलिंग आहा, नॉर्थान सनबर्न जाता फूल ऑफ ड्रग्स. क्रायम रेट वाडयल्या, मर्डर केसीस वाडले अख्ख्यो नॉर्थाक सोजा लोबो म्हणटे हॉटेल सोजा लोबो म्हणटे सारकें आमगेलें पारंपारीक गोंयचें रेस्टॉरंट फोडटाय आनी एक आनी दोन फावट जालो ना. आमगे गोंयकारांक त्रास करूंक लागले आनी हे थिंग रावन सांगपा लागले की हें आहा म्हण सालसेती वोट कितको मारताय ते. सालसेती वोट लोकांक सांगपा नाका वोट कोणा मारपाय तो. सालसेती लोक सगळ्यांक वळखता. दे नो whom they are speaking, whom they should speak about, what they should speak about. Salsit people know. So मुगे रिक्वेस्ट हा तुम थिंगरा आमकां सांगना काय. आमगे जाणाय, आमगे लोक जाणा, आमगे लोक वळखता आमकां. सो दॅट्स ऑल आय वॉन्ट टू से, नथींग मोर. आनी आमी पडे डिसिजन घेयलां तें लोकां लागून घेयलां. आमी डिसिजन आमच्या फायद्याक घेयला ना. आमकां जाय लोकांगे इश्यूज सेटल जालोले, रायट फ्रॉम गार्बेज टू अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग to unemployment to self-sufficiency after COVID. This is very important as far as all this is concerned. That's all I have to say. And please, तेन मुझे allegation करता सुना ते कितू बरे है ते तेन चोयचे. हम इश्यू घेयलाय, हम असेंब्ली इश्यू घेयलाय, हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज केलाय म्हणटाय ते एकू इश्यूचेर तेन कापासतात जाल्यार खंयच्या देवाचे हात दोनी. उलो इन्व्हेस्टर फट फोडना काय. कोण डील करता, कोण कित करता ते सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. हांव कोणाचे उलोवपा सोदना. आय एम फायटींग एन इलेक्शन. आय एम गोईंग टू माय पीपल एंड टेलिंग माय पीपल टू गिव मी एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू सर्व बेटर. एंड आई विल गिव देम एन एश्योरेंस दैट आई विल डू जस्टिस व्हाट आई हैव डन इन कुर्तोरी फॉर द लास्ट 15 years. एक ऑफिस नाहलोलें, एक लोकांक एक सर्वीस नाहलोली. मुझे उलयताय ट्रॅक्टरांचे उलयताय. हांवें एकूच आमदार गोंयांत कोत्ता आनी कोण कोन्ना. All this I am doing and I will double my services to my people. Not only these services, I will see that I give double the services. I will work very hard. My assurance is that I will work very hard for my people of Kurtoni as well as Goa. First comes Kurtoni constituency for me, then comes Goa for me, because they are my people who will elect me. They are my people who will bring me to the assembly. I want to request my people, I take this opportunity, help me so that I will assure you that I will do justice in a very big way for my constituency. Like, I will see that all my issues of garbage, I will have a full-fledged garbage collection and college garbage segregation, everything at one point, at one source. I will have a primary health center, full-fledged. I will have a police station. We will have a full-fledged police station. All Sansra issue will be settled. Underground cabling will be taken up. I will see maximum work I do. Job front achir. We will see that we go out of the way to help our people, which I have not been able to do. I used to feel sad that I have not been able to help my people. So I was feeling so dejected when I could not do my people's work. Plus there are other issues which we have to take up. There will be a nice rice mill in place, which I have been so much wanting to do for such a long time. Plus other small facilities which are required for my people. For example, administration at the doorstep will be full-fledged, that I assure you. With these things in mind, I would go back to my people and tell them to give me an opportunity. I am not a person, a lot of people are saying you should have won and gone the other side afterwards. I don't want to backstab my people after people elect me and go on the other side. Now, who will go the other side, it is well-known fact. Who has come from where and who will go where is a big question mark on the candidate. So I would request my people to help me, be with me, and I will certainly be with you 24/7.